How to set up fingerprint and face unlock on Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app and scroll down to find Security and Privacy. Tap on it and go to Biometrics. Here you will see options for both fingerprint and face recognition. Let's begin with setting up the fingerprint. Tap on Fingerprints and select Add Fingerprint. Then follow the on-screen instruction. You will need to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor multiple times so it can get a complete scan. You can also add more fingerprints if needed or remove old ones. Next, go back and select Face Recognition. Then tap Continue. After confirming, position your face within the circle shown on the screen. Make sure you are in a well-lit area for better accuracy. Once the scan is complete, you can choose whether the phone unlocks when the screen turns on. You can now use your fingerprint or face to unlock your Samsung M32 smoothly without entering your PIN or pattern every time. And that's it. Now you know how to set a fingerprint and face unlock on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.